Hello everyone, it's Cryptofork, and today in this video we're gonna talk and compare between the gold and the Bitcoin. And there is who calls the Bitcoin the gold 2.0. We're gonna talk again about which asset is really store of value and which asset will help you and protect you from the inflation. So if you like cryptocurrency, you like news about cryptocurrency, you like finance, so click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, and let's start with this very important video. I started to invest in 2015, and this is the first question that I ask myself. Where to invest my money? To the crypto, to the Bitcoin that was 700 USD, or to the gold that was at least at the same prices plus minus, all right? So this is actually the first question, my first question, and I ask myself, first of all, if I'm buying a gold or a silver, and I wanted you will guys look at these prices. Right now is August 2021, and I think that this video will be important until 2025, because after 2025 the people who will watch this video, I think that they will understand by themselves, and all the industry and all the TV shows will tell this thing and which asset is more valuable from another asset, because right now there is a lot of companies, a lot of banks that telling us something else but doing something else, and this is very important to understand it, guys. So I asked myself when I just started to invest in 2015, if I'm buying a gold, because everyone told me that if you are buying a gold you will be rich, you will store your money, you will protect until the against the inflation. So I tried and I asked myself one question: if I'm just buying right now a gold, and then I got at least 10,000 USD in my portfolio, and I asked myself, well, to invest this money. So first of all, everyone told me gold. I tried and searched about gold, and I asked myself where I will store the gold. So for example, yeah, I have my room. I have locker at bank, so where I will store the gold, and this is my first problem with gold. If I'm buying a lot of gold, where I can store it? The second questions that of course send me to the cryptocurrency is why when I am buying and selling gold I need to pay high and very high fees. And today is August 2021, guys, and please look at it at your screens right now and look at the Bitcoin price at 45,900 USD, and look at the gold prices of 1,720 USD, and look at the silver prices of 23.4, guys. And I telling you this again, if you are watching this video after 2025, I think that the prices for the gold and for the silver will be something near what we have right now. Maybe the gold will be 2,200 and the silver will be 330 USD for one gold and for for silver and gold. But I sure that the price for the Bitcoin in 2024, 2025, whenever you see this video, gonna be a lot higher than right now we are watching, and that's why I'm recording this video. This is very important to understand and watch this video until the end, and click on the like button that the YouTube algorithm will show this video as much people as as we can, guys, because it means that a lot of people will come to the cryptocurrency and industry and they will earn money, and this is very important. So look at this news that came from JP Morgan when the coronavirus started in 2020, guys. JP Morgan told us the investor dumping Bitcoin and they are going and buying gold. And I just want to show you this chart, guys, because this is very important to understand this point of view, guys. And if you don't think like me, so of course write this in the comments below. This is very, very, very important for me, guys, because look at this. JP Morgan told us, yeah, in other words, sell your Bitcoin because Bitcoin dumped had huge dump. I will show you the charts right now. And the gold had huge dump too. But look what happened after the Corona dump. The gold prices was like 1,700, and right now after 1 year and 6 months we are at prices of 1,722. And look at this, in the last year, guys, the gold price has fallen by 15 percentages in the last year, and this is very, very important. I will show you charts and a lot of very important things to understand this point of view. And look what happened to the Bitcoin. Huge dump at March 2020 when the Corona came to our world. The Bitcoin price was 3,200 for one Bitcoin. And after that, with all the inflation, it started when Donald Trump was the president of the United States of America. The Federal Reserve start to print a lot of money, and the inflation was, like they are telling us, 3 percentages. Right now in August 2021, the Fed Reserve telling us that the inflation is 5.5 percentages, but I think that is higher and higher and higher. I think that at least the inflation right now is 10 percentages at least per year, guys. And look what happened to the Bitcoin prices. And again, look what happened to the gold prices. And we just raised by maybe 1%, maybe 1% from this dump. And look what happened to the Bitcoin prices of 3,200 from this dump when the Corona came to our world. We rise to 64 and 900 for one Bitcoin. We made more than 1,500 percentages after the Bitcoin fallen from this all-time high. And again, this is the price that I'm talking in August 2021. I'm sure that if you are watching this video in 2022, 2023, 2024, I'm sure that these prices will be like, I don't know, like a sugar, like a candy to your eyes, guys. And I'm sure, but if you're looking this video and the gold prices, I'm not sure that we're gonna rise so far. And I will show you the inflation. So it's very, very important because JP Morgan telling us, one of the biggest bank telling us, sell your Bitcoin, buy gold. And it was the dip for the Bitcoin, a dip for the gold. But the gold made like 1 percentages from them, and the Bitcoin rised after a falling of 50 percentages from the all-time high, rised in 1,500 percentages. It means that if you invested just 1,000 USD, that it's nothing for investments and for cryptocurrency industry. Right now, you should have 15,000 USD. And if you invested 1,000 when the JP Morgan told you to invest in gold, so right now you have 1,010 USD. I think this is a big, big difference. But this news is very, very important. This news that came us 1 year and 6 months after they published that sell your Bitcoin, buy gold. After 1 year and 6 months, they published the JP Morgan launch in-house Bitcoin form for private bank clients. And this is very, very important to understand what they are doing, guys. In other words, JP Morgan told us that only the VIP clients of the company can buy Bitcoin funds. And this is very important because the rich people, the funds, look not what they are saying, but what they are doing. And if they give the permission to buy for the VIP clients the Bitcoin funds, it means that they want it and they understand that they should and they must buy the Bitcoin. And guys, this is very, very important because this news is just another example from what the banks are doing for the medium class of people. And this is very, very important to understand it. I want to tell you another fact that in 2008, the biggest banks told us to buy real estate. And guess what? This was the highest level when they published this news to buy the real estate. And after, from these levels, the real estate increased by 15 percentages when the banks told us buy, take loans, of course, from the banks and buy real estate because real estate will grow and the inflation will be forever, forever, forever. And after they published this news, guess what? The deflation coming and everything just falling. So this is very important. And the second thing that I think will give to Bitcoin another winning on the gold is the MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor borrowing to buy Bitcoin. It's like investing in early stages of Facebook, and here he's telling us not only Facebook, it's like to invest it in early stages of Amazon, Google, and Facebook, and this is the very important because this guy is the CEO of one of the biggest fund in the United States, and he telling us, guys, buy Bitcoin. And he like gold, but he's telling us that the Bitcoin is the future. His fund, MicroStrategy, for right now in August 2021, they have 105,000 Bitcoins. By the way, they bought the Bitcoin at average price of 27,000 for one Bitcoin for now. And they take loan from banks with 1% interest. It's very important for year, and he told us that this is a very, very good deal because he took from the bank 1 billion, all right, and he is paying 1.5 interest yearly, but he made just in the last half an hour, guys, 2.2 billion on this Bitcoin trade. And this is very, very important to understand it because this guy is know what he's saying. And again, don't do what they are telling you to do. Do what they are doing behind the scenes. This is very, very important. And I will show you what's happening behind the scenes and how much money is printing right now. I will show it just in few minutes that you will understand which asset is best to buy. The gold or the Bitcoin, that I think that this is the next Gold 2.0. And I will tell you another reason why I bought Bitcoin is not because I don't know where to store my gold, it's because it's really easy. By the way, you have the links below to the crypto exchanges that very protected. But and with our link, you will have 10 percentages on your commission increase. So this is very important. You have the links below this video in the description. And another thing why I bought, because it's Bitcoin, because it's really easy to buy Bitcoin. All right, I'm just registered to one of the cryptocurrencies that you have in the description. I'm writing my email, I'm writing my password, and then I just filling my credit card details. And this is very easy. I'm doing this process just in 5 minutes of my time. But if I want to buy gold, I need to drive to somewhere, I need to store it I don't know where to store my gold because if someone is coming to my house and steal the gold, so I don't know what to do. I don't know where to hide my gold, where to hide my finance. So this is very important, this point of view, guys. And if people like Michael Saylor, the CEO of the MicroStrategy, is telling us to buy Bitcoin, is like to buy Facebook, Amazon, and Google in the early stage. So I think that this is very important and you should and must look on this news, guys. All right, so right now I told you what the banks are telling us and what they are doing us. All right, and right now go to the Coinbase right now they just received crypto license from German regulation that they will have allowed this license that will allow you to trade with cryptocurrency. And this is very important because a lot of people are asking me how it how it could be that the price of the Bitcoin is 45,000. And again, it depends when you saw this video, because I'm sure that if you saw this video in 2024, 2025, you will like to buy the Bitcoin at 45, 46,000 for one Bitcoin, because this is just in the early stages. And I think that Michael Saylor is right, because only now you see that all the crypto exchanges getting the license right now. All the things that started with the ETF, with the license, everything is just started in 2021. The companies just started to buy the Bitcoin. Look what happened to the Tesla, and look what happened to the um, to Elon Musk, that he told us that he is buying Bitcoin. And there is something else that I really and this is the third reason why I bought the Bitcoin actually, is because Bitcoin have a limited supply of 21 Bitcoins forever. It's true that someone is told me that gold have limited supply, but guys, if Elon Musk of Jeff Bezos is flying to the moon, all right, exactly, they're flying to the moon, and they're finding gold on the moon. What it means to the supply and demand of the gold, guys? At the Bitcoin, you will have forever 21 million of Bitcoin. And gold, you can find gold in a lot of places, not only on Earth. And I want to show you how much money the Federal Reserve is having and what it means to the inflation. And this is very important to understand it. And look what happened to the Bitcoin prices. And I will show you this in the next few minutes, what happened to the Bitcoin prices for this exactly time when the Federal Reserve started to print money, guys. And what you're seeing right now on your screen, it's not only how much they printed, because what you see right now on the screen is how much they printed on 2009. All right. And right now I want to show you how they printed in 2022. And look at your screen right now. So if it's looked for you huge until the 2009, look what happened in 2021, guys. This, look at the screen. This is the 2029. All right. It's look like nothing at the money that we have right now. And what it means, guys, that right now your $1 is like 0.25, and I will tell you why. Because in this chart you saw the reserve asset in trillions in 2020. In the end of 2021, they have right now 8 trillions of dollars in the Federal Reserve asset, and this is very important to understand. Because just at the end of 2009, if you had $1, so right now your $1 is 0.25 USD cents, of course. And I will show you what it's mean on the charts. And this is very important because they are printing money and the supply of the USD is so high. But look what happened to the gold prices. They are not rising by 400 percentages. And look what happened to the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is show us that he is more and more store of value to your money. This is very important to understand it, guys. And look at this. This is your power to buy of your money. So look at this. The $20 in 1998, you would buy maybe, a lot of things, all right? You can buy from your supermarket. After 7 years with the inflation, all right, you would buy maybe half of the things that you bought 7 years ago. But look at these, guys. What you can buy after the 2008, after they increased the supply of the USD dollar. All right? Look at 2017. You would buy like maybe one milk, one drink, of course, water, okay, because we are drinking only water, mineral water. And look at this, it's nothing. So think what will happen to your dollar just in few years from now when they increased the supply of the USD. Just think that maybe in 2 years from now, with all the USD that they just printing to the market, you would like maybe just a mineral water with your $20 and just think about it. But if you are investing your $20, you invested in 2017, even at the peak of the Bitcoin when it was 20,000, it was the peak in 2017 for the Bitcoin. Right now you have 200 percentages. You made 100 percentages, but you have 200 percentages more. So just think about it, guys. But if you invested in gold, I don't know, guys. I don't know. 1,400. All right, so we made less than 25 percentages. Just think about these numbers. And this is the gold historically chart, and this is the Bitcoin historically chart. This is very important because they are really, really similar. But I wanted you will think what happened to the gold prices at 1971 when the Federal Reserve decided they will print how much money they want, but because before they printed money, how much gold they have. This called the gold standard. After that, look at this crazy inflation to your money. And it looks like the Bitcoin prices is repeating, all right, what happened to the gold before. So if we are just here, so we're just in the early stage of the Bitcoin prices, of the Bitcoin industry, of the Bitcoin technologies that we will use day by day in our life, guys. And again, if you want to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and hundreds more of cryptocurrencies, you have the link in the comments below. With our link, you will have increase on your commissions. So look at this. So the Bitcoin have bright future for what I think. If you think something else, write in the comments below, guys. And this chart is very important, is the ROI. We see against, of course, the USD, and this is very, very important because I show you, and I will show you this again, look at your screens, the power of your money, of your USD. Look what happened in the last 10 years, let's say, all right? Look what that you would buy, that you bought a lot of things in your supermarket, and right now you can buy just a milk. All right, so look what happened to the gold, because a lot of people are telling us that the gold is the security for your money. There you are secure your money, there you are security your USD, and this is the best asset. So look, in the last 10 years, if you hold gold, so you lose 3 percentages against the USD. Guys, again, I will tell it again because you lose 3 percentages against the USD. But this is very important because you lose 3 percentages against the USD, but you are losing more than 100 percentages in your buying power. And this is very important to understand it because of the inflation and because what happened. And right now with all the coronavirus, I think that it should be higher and higher prices. But look at the S&P 500. This is the 500 biggest companies in the US. Look, if you invested in the S&P index 500 10 years ago, you made 286 percentages by now, guys. This is pretty good, yeah, but if you invested in Bitcoin 10 years ago at 2011, not in 2009, not at 2009, not in 2010, in 2011, guys, all right, 10 years ago, you made 462,000 percentages on your money. So I'm asking yourself again, all right? Because this is the title of this video, and if you agree with me, which asset do you think is more valuable? the Bitcoin or the gold, guys. And again, I will tell and I will repeat it again, look at these prices. If you are seeing this video until 2025, I think that this video will be very relevant for you because a lot of people will ask until 2025 which asset they should buy, they must buy. But if you're seeing this video after the 2025, it would be like a good history for you and good lesson, because I think that everyone must know after the 2025 that you must buy Bitcoin as earlier as you can, guys. And again, the links below in the description with our commission increase. And again, look at your screen, 45,900 USD for one Bitcoin, and look the prices for the gold prices, 1,729 USD for one gold, and for the silver, 23.43. Guys, thank you for watching this video. This was Cryptofork. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel. Give the like. If you have any question, if you are um agree or disagree with me, write in the comments. I will answer to all your questions, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like cryptocurrency, you like the financial market, you like to earn money, click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you very much for watching.